everyone, my name is Terima Wahayuni with student number 231-202-1073 from 4C class. Today, I'll explain lesson plan with the topic greeting card for grade 8 student at SMP Negeri 2 Sukasada using the project-based learning model. Okay, let's start from the beginning. This lesson is planned for the academic year 2025 or 2026 and the duration is 45 minutes. The main focus is on the skill of writing and presentations. Next, we have core components that include the learning objective and learning model, method, and strategy. Let's start from the learning objective. There are three main goals of this lesson. First, student will understand what a greeting card is and the language feature inside it. And the second one is student will be able to identify different type of greeting card. And the last one is student will write a message in a greeting card that is creative, attractive, and use correct grammar. Next, we move to the learning step. This lesson is divided into three stages. First is pre-activity. I use 5 minutes for this activity. And this activity is teacher greets the student and asks the class leader to lead a prayer. And then teacher checks student attendance. Next, teacher asks, have you ever made or received a greeting card before? And the last one is teacher explains the learning objective for today's material. Next is WILE's activity. I use 25 minutes for this activity. And the activity is, first, the teacher asks 4 questions. 1 is, what are greeting cards? 2, what are some examples of greeting card? 3, what is the purpose of making greeting cards? 4. How do we make the greeting cards? And students give their answer. Then, the teacher explains using a PowerPoint presentation. After that, students are divided into 2 groups. And the teacher gives clear instruction for the task is making their own greeting card. In this activity, the teacher also explains the project schedule, including date, task, person in charge, and deadline. And during the activity, teacher monitor and guide students. And if there is a mistake or problem, teacher help them by asking, is there any problems, or giving suggestion. Then the last activity is post activity. And I use 15 minutes for this activity. And the activity is each group present their greeting card in front of the class. Or the group give question or comment. The teacher give feedback on their work. And the student make a short conclusion about today's lesson. And finally, the teacher end the class and ask the class leader to lead a closing prayer. Next is attachment or materials and tools. For this lesson, the teacher used a PowerPoint file about greeting cards, a Canva link for design inspiration, and tools and media such as laptop, Canva app, phone, and projector. And the last one is student worksheet or LKPD. Students are also given a worksheet. They must watch a short video and look at some picture and then answer the 5 questions. First, what is the video about? Second, what did he say on his friend's special day? Third, do you know other special days? Fourth, what are the pictures about? And the last one is, what would you say to your friend on their special day? This worksheet helps students understand the purpose and content of greeting card before they make their own greeting cards. This lesson plan uses a fun and interactive method where students can learn about greeting cards, work in teams, practice writing, and present confidently. It also helps students improve their creativity, collaboration, and communication skill in the classroom. Okay, I think that's all for my video. Thank you so much for watching and bye!